Hey guys, Gavin Glory 123 here. Today we're gonna be doing making Friday Night Funkin in Scratch. This isn't a 1 hour one, this is an actual tutorial. So yeah, if you go in the description, you'll be able to get the download the project. It's just got all the files in already, which is what we want. So at the moment it just plays the song, which is what we want. But we'll make it so you can actually use arrows. We've got any variables left over? Oh, this will be a lot easier. Why is the system failure? It needs to be you can't run. Because that's the name of the Sonic.exe song we're making. Okay, so first off, we're actually gonna make the hit map. So new message, we're gonna go create hit map. Okay, cool. Actually, we might as well hide these sprites for now. We're not gonna use them, and we can show this one. And we'll make it go to 0, 0. So this is gonna be the hit map. It's like these ones that you actually have to press. So we'll go to 35 on the X, negative 150, or 150 if you prefer. Actually no, let's do 150, and then we'll add down scroll later. And that means for this one, gonna have to point direction minus 90 here. That way it'll be up to top. Perfect. Okay. Create hit map. We're going to switch costume to left untouched. Go to negative 35, 150. And then yeah. We're gonna do repeat 4, create a clone of myself, next costume, and then change X by 45. Okay. Okay, so we'll hide the hit map. Then we're gonna do when I start as a coin show. And we'll also make it 50. Okay, so we've just got this little script here. So if we run it, we've got ourselves a little hit board. Instead of making it 50, I'd make it 55. Yeah, that's better. Okay, now we've got that, but just for our player. Also, cool thing is, all these come preset. Also, we've got an I variable here, so we're going to set I to 1. We're going to change I here. Now this is important because we're going to do forever, and then when I start as a clone. Oh wait, no, we're going to go, when I start as a clone, switch costume to join. And then we're gonna get item of we need item of arrows. Wait, no, yeah, item of arrows, not item of thing in arrows. So we want item 1 of arrows, but we're gonna swap it to I. Then we're gonna swap banana here to untouched. And then we're gonna go in here What's all these inputs here for? We'll clear that then, because I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go switch costume to join item I have arrows. Press 1. Okay, so we've got this script here, and now we pretty much want to get rid of this equals here. I don't know why I put that there. I'm gonna put an OR block here, and we're gonna get item of blank there. I'm gonna put keymap A. I'm gonna put the I variable in it, and then we're gonna copy paste, swap to B. We're gonna get the sensing, get the key press block, and put this in here, and then put both of these in the OR block. So now, if we do create hitmap, we can actually press it with the arrow keys or WASD, and it actually works. So that we can tell we're pressing it. We'll get a one green flag clip, create hitmap there, like that, and we'll just give a little bit of animation to it. So what we're gonna do is change Y by -20 here, change Y by 2 there, and we're also gonna do change ghost by -10, and we're also gonna set ghost over here to 100. I'll just stop this from playing because it's really loud. So what we've got so far is that. Nice little fade in animation. Nice. Now what we should probably do is move this over to here, or copy this over here and have another one. So we need so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna delete hitmap x CPU and hitmap x player, and then we're going to add thing to hitmap x player. We're going to add the x variable. So that means if we look here, it shows us the exact positions, which is what we want. So we want to get we want to reverse it. So we're gonna go change x by negative, I don't know, let's try it. No, let's go 35 minus 200, 165. Let's try that. If it doesn't work, we could just keep trying. And then we'll put create a clone, set x position to do that there like that. So it should look like this. Okay. Not quite what we want. 235. Negative 200. Let's try that. That just broke the whole thing. Because I put negative 200 twice. Maybe a few pixels off. Let's see. How off are we? So if we go 90 minus 55, we're 35 pixels off. Okay, so negative 235 will work. Hopefully. Truth. Perfect. Okay, we did it, guys. That's perfect. But the only thing is, when I press a note, it also happens for the CPU's one as well, so we need to fix that. Which, luckily, we already have a variable for, CPU arrow. So, we're going to set it to 1 here, we're going to set it to 0 here, and now, wait, we haven't done this yet. If equals 1, and then we're going to put CPU arrow here, drag it in, and perfect. Oh, wait, we want it if CPU arrow is 0, sorry. Perfect. Now we have got all the code for actually pressing the arrows on the thing. Now we need the code for making the arrows. And this is our arrow sprite. There's a reason why we have these hitmap X stuff, and I'll get onto that in a bit. But first, let's quickly paint a new sprite. We're going to call it inputs, yep. So we're going to do when green flag clicked. Actually no, we're going to make a new broad. We're going to make a new message. We're going to call this you're going to call this start record inputs. There. It's not really recording it, but hey. There. We're gonna set. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go to inputs, add thing to it. We're gonna just set it to 0, 0, 0, 0 like that. We're gonna delete all of it first. And then we're gonna go back over here, copy this script here, drag it over here. But instead of having the I, we're just gonna make it 1. There's a reason for this. So what we'll do now is replace item 1 of inputs with 0. And then we'll do that again here, but with 1. Then we're gonna get the control there. We're gonna go to control, wait 1 second, make it 0 seconds. So if you set it to 0 seconds, it lasts exactly 1 frame, or like 0.03 seconds. That's scratch runs at 30 frames per second. So that's how long it'll last. And then we'll swap it back to 0 here and wait until we're not pressing it. So this is pretty much just gonna make it so that, like, this is how we're gonna record our inputs, so it's more precise. So you can see it flicker there when I press left. One's flickering, which is what we want. Now we can duplicate this script, swap all the 1s for 2s, well, except for this one here. I suppose we could just get rid of this bit. Here. Again, swap it for 3s. And swap it for 4s. So now, if we also make a new one here, start recording inputs there. Now, we'll show the hip inputs one, and you can see when I press them, they're all flickering. Which is good, because that means we actually now know our inputs are going through, and it'll be, you know, pretty good. What's this rings variable doing here? This is Sonic. Okay, so what we're gonna do, wait no, actually no, it is kind of Sonic. Doing Sonic.exe. Anyways, so you can see we've got this arrow sprite here. Okay, how long do we have? It's been 15 minutes, okay, that's fine. You can see we've got this arrow sprite here. So, this is pretty much just gonna, be actually how we make our arrows. I'm just gonna flip all of these up. Even though we're not gonna use the ring ones. But we might, but we're probably not going to. So, we've got our arrow sprites here. What we're gonna do is go to My Blocks, make a block. I'm gonna call it Create Arrow. And then we're gonna do Arrow. Wait, no, oh, dang it. Create Arrow. Add input. Arrow. With length x and extra properties add a label, and then we're finally gonna do wait, and then we're gonna do wait. So this here is just gonna be like, this is gonna be how many frames we wait instead of seconds, because I find frames is more useful for this. So I'll just put one here with length. Let's go 0. This property is 0, then wait 3 frames. So what we're going to do is we're going to get length and set it to length here. We're going to get note properties, set it to extra. We're going to set arrow type here. Okay, we're gonna set arrow type to 1, or just to arrow. Then we're going to create a clone of myself. Oh, there is one thing I forgot. Create. Okay. Might quickly get rid of a few of these. Wait, so get rid of all of these. We'll put these back in the set. As player. So we're gonna put 0 and 1 here. I'm gonna just put CPU there so we know if it's a CPU mode. With length and extra properties, extra, then wait, then we're also gonna do set CPU to CPU. So now we've got create arrow as player 0. Player 0 would be this, player 1 would be this, with length 0, and extra properties 0, then wait 4 frames. So we're gonna create a clone of myself, and then we're gonna check if equal is less than 1. I'm gonna put the wait here. So if wait is less, we'll do if weight is greater than 0, then we're gonna actually do the script. Then we're gonna repeat weight. And then we're gonna do we're just gonna set color effects to 0. There. Okay. So what that should do is just create a clone and give it all these properties. So now I'm gonna do when I start as a clone, if CPU equals 1, there, we're gonna do go to X, and we want to get the item 1 of, I'm going to get CPU, put that big CPU, I'm going to chuck the arrow type in there, then we're going to go to -180, and that should put us straight below this. We're going to repeat, let's go 5, we're going to change Y by 12, then we're going to repeat until touching CPU hitman. This is what, okay, I'm still spraying. That's a good feature that Scratch has, but you have to do it instantly, otherwise kind of stuffed. Okay, this is what this sprite was for. So if we show it, this is pretty much gonna be the line where if the arrow touches it, that's where it's gonna go. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go do that. It's gonna go up the top, and then we're going to go change Y by 12. And then delete this code. So I'm gonna set it as player 1 here. Now. Wait, I forgot. But I need to do this. Perfect. Now we can make the left arrows. Well, with the CPU at least. So I set it as not the CPU, but it's just great. So what we're gonna do is copy the script, go to X, hitmap X player 180, copy this, repeat until touching hitmap, and we're gonna get item 1 of inputs. Wait, huh? We could do that. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, that's cool. Item 1 of inputs equals 1. But we're gonna swap it to arrow type there. So we'll just check if we're actually pressing. And then we're also gonna do if is anyway, so I'm gonna check if it's higher than 179. So that means we've gone off the top of the screen. Then we're gonna delete this code as well. So now, if we do that, and we set this code 0, we can actually press them. And also let them go off the top of the screen too. Perfect. Okay. So, good thing is if we set it to 3 here, it won't swap the costume, but it will actually recognize which one we are. So, what we're gonna do, switch costume to join. I'm gonna get a couple of joins in here. I'm gonna do join item arrow type of arrows, and then we're gonna join item type of arrows. We're just gonna get like 4 join blocks inside of each other like this. Join item type of arrows, and then you want to get long here, which should still be 0, which is fine. And then dash, length, dash, note properties. So this should just actually swap it back to normal. So if I put this in a repeat loop, it just keeps spawning up arrows. Or if I do this, pick random 1 to 4, and then I can put pick random 0 to 1 there, then it'll just randomly put arrows on. Yeah. Let's get those long arrows sorted now. So, we're gonna do, when I start as a clone, repeat length, we're gonna get if length long equals 0. We're gonna put it there. If long equals 0, repeat length. We're gonna create a code of myself, and then we're gonna get long, set long to 0. We're gonna set long to 1, set long to 0. Yeah, just like that. Now that should hopefully let us make long notes. Yeah, perfect. Kind of flawed at the moment, but long arrows it is. So what we're going to do is do an if check, and check if they're a long note here. By the way I'm doing this so fast is because I have scratch tools, scratch add-ons extension, it's really good. We're going to check if long equals 1. And then we're just going to do, just going to go back into hitmap sprite, copy this over, and swap the I for an arrow type. Same here, there, and put it there, and that should work. Okay. Now, let's say sprite 1 there. Okay. That's kind of not really what we want. Oh, actually no, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Now we can go 0 to 1, 1 to 4, and then we'll put pick random 0 to 10. We'll just infinitely make different notes. I just random notes the whole time. Alright, I'm gonna quickly make an addition to this. So for the long ones, we're gonna swap it to CPU hitmap. Now that way, it'll look nice. Yeah, that's alright. Whoa. Now we should probably get missing the notes in. Actually, no, we'll do, We'll quickly get animations in real quick, like before the episode's done, is the last thing, and we'll also put the music in. Even though it won't be synced up to the song at all, we'll put the music in. We'll show the CPU sprite and we'll show the boyfriend sprite. Now we're gonna do create message, and then we're gonna do left dash CPU. Now when we do that, we're going to set idle sprite. Oh wait, that's not here. Oh well. We're gonna make a new variable idle. We're gonna set that to 1. Oh no, we're gonna set that to 0, so we know he's actually moving. And we're gonna set switch costume to Sonic left. And then we're gonna wait 0.05 frame, 0.05 seconds. I'm gonna go. We're gonna, yeah. I might swap these around. There. We're gonna wait 0.2 seconds. And then switch costume to Sonic Idle. And set idle to 1. There. Dash CPU, and then we're going to stop it down. Perfect. Up dash CPU, Sonic up. Perfect. And then right dash CPU. Swap to the right one. That looks good. Okay. The only thing is, if you play multiple of these at the same time, I'll demonstrate. I'll just It doesn't look good because I like stops early. So what we're going to do here is we're going to stop unscripting this sprite. Now this will pretty much just stop us. It'll just stop the other animations from playing. So it'll just cancel out the other animation. Perfect. Okay. There. I'll hide this idle sprite. Now I'll copy all of these into the boyfriend sprite. Over here. Like that. Here. And up like that. We're gonna swap all the Sonics to boyfriends. Like that. Down. Up. And right. Now we're just gonna swap the messages from left CPU to left player, down player, up player, right player. That up player and right player. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the arrow sprite and do where it says delete this clone. I'm gonna put a broadcast join arrow type of arrows dash CPU or dash player. So we're gonna put the CPU one here, but not in there, there. I'm gonna put it here. Okay. There, now. We've got the music in there, I forgot about that. I should probably turn that down because that's a bit loud. And I'll put this 1 second after the create clip map there. And that should give us enough time to actually see the animations. You can see the animations are actually working. Okay, that's cool. Now, in the next episode, we'll actually put like a proper chart in there. So yeah, but for now, we'll just call it a day there. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see ya!